Hi guys, have you ever tried making pancake this way? Let me show you how.
Welcome to Lizzy Home Kitchen, your home for easy and tasty baking recipes. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my baking tutorials.
In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 tablespoon of yeast, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, pinch of salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of water. Gently mix them together until a smooth batter forms, and also take your time while mixing it so there won't be any lumps. You will find the full measurement in the description box below, and let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. Set the batter aside and move on to slicing your veggies. Chop your spring onions and grate your carrots. So I'm going to be using this grater for the carrots. Grate your carrot and set it aside. After that, add your veggies to the batter. Mix them together until everything is well combined. Very simple to make and it does not take time at all. So after that, add little vegetable oil to the frying pan and carefully add your batter to heat. Then bake on a very low heat. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my baking recipes. Thanks for watching.